Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be answering one question regarding my face mask design, and she asked whether it's just gonna grow on one side because according to that person the increase will be just one and it might just work an increase on one side. Well, to answer you, it's not going to be that way because we're doing the increase back and forth. So it's going to create this V line in the middle, and it's gonna grow like this up until you reach round 30 or row 30. That is where I stop the increase, and then I just work 10 rows of just one single crochet back loop only into every stitch into each row. This is what it's going to look like once more. And we had an increase into every 11th stitch or 2 single crochet back loop only, and then after reaching round 30, that's when we just work 1 single crochet into every stitch back loop only. And then the next side will be the opposite because we're doing a decrease, so you will see there the V line, and then we are back to 2 rows of the same amount of stitches. So this is what it's going to look like once you're done with the face mask. So what I like about this face mask is that you can breathe in and it doesn't touch your mouth while you're speaking. So I'm not sure if I need to add a fabric lining because of course all of us, you want to be comfortable when we are speaking while we're wearing face masks. So the design of the ear loop is adjustable, so you just need a bead, and then you're going to insert those ends in opposite sides so that it will create this lock every time that you pull the 2 ends together. So this is the easiest way on how to do the adjustable ear loop face mask. If you'd like to see how I made this one, I will add the video tutorial link in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.